In this video, I will show you how to get your Crypto.com tax report. There's basically two things you can do. The first one you may know, which is exporting your transaction history. To do that one, just go to Accounts. Then from the top right three circles, select the one on the left. That will show you your transaction history. Now just select tokens, cash or card, for example cash, and then you can see everything you did with your cash. They just click on the icon in the top right, and here you can then choose the start and end dates. So for example, the 1st of January 2025 until, for example, the 31st of December of 2025. So the full year. Then click OK and click export to CSV, and then it's now generating that report and you can go and download it. That's way number one, but the second option is to open up a browser and search for this link. So type in tax.crypto.com and that will take you to Crypto.com's tax page. Here it says, in order to give a more comprehensive and up-to-date coverage, we are now partnering with new tax services. So they partner with Coinly and TokenTax. So for example, you can click on Coinly right here, which will take you to their website. And then you can here get your crypto tax reports in under 20 minutes. So you can get a 1099-DA and Form 8949 using TurboTax and FreeTax USA. So click start for free. Here go to sign up and then just follow these steps in order to actually get your Crypto.com tax report. Now you do need to pay for this, but you can still export your transaction history for free if you prefer doing that. So now you know how to get your Crypto.com tax reports. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.